everyone, welcome to my channel guys, and in this video I will be watching the title teaser of an upcoming Malayalam film. Now I'm very excited, as I'm always excited to watch any teaser or any song or any trailer, but there's a special kind of excitement for this one because this is part of the Minnal Murli universe. Yes, this film is called Detective Ujwalan and Dhyan is playing the titular role here. So even though this is the title teaser, this is like a 3-minute video. So I'm very excited because I love Minnal Murli and I don't know how they're gonna integrate a new character here. Let's see. Let's first watch the title teaser. Then I'll share my thoughts basis that. So yeah, let us begin. Yo. WC, Weekend Cinematic Universe.
ഇത്രയും നാള് ഒരുപാട് ലൊടുക്ക് കേസുകളെല്ലാം ഏറ്റെടുത്ത് നാട്ടുകാരുടെയും വീട്ടുകാരുടെയും ആട്ടും തുപ്പും കേട്ടു ഞാൻ. പക്ഷെ അവസാനം ഒരു തറമാണ്, സിറപ്പാണ് കേസിനെ തേടിയെത്തി. ഇതിലെല്ലാവരും അറിയണം ഈ ഉജ്ജ്വലൻ ആരാണ്. പക്ഷെ അതിന് എനിക്ക് നിങ്ങളെല്ലാവരുടെയും അനുഗ്രഹമാണ്.
I'm sorry, Scooby-Doo? Sherlock, this is all the detectives, huh? Scooby-Doo. Batman? That's Batman only, right? Yes, it is. Mamuka playing detective. Oh, the CBI series. He's not really, you can say like solving cases only. Lalita in which film? Which movie is this? I'm not able to recall. This is Musa. So, unbelievable. Love it. So these are his idols, basically. Weekend Cinematic Universe. #WCU. So cassette, huh?
എങ്ങനെയുണ്ട്?
Oh, that's not Guru. That's not the body language. Wait, I want to go back.
എങ്ങനെയുണ്ട്?
So there's a crime scene and Easter egg that I don't like to call. It's better, okay? Very interesting. Is that? I feel that's him only, his darker side. If you see they're mirroring each other. Can't drink.
മോനെ അതൊരു കളയുടെ.
Face reveal. Of course not. What was I thinking? 2025. Okay. So, firstly, I like that this is part of the Minnal Murli universe because I'm a very, very huge fan. So, I'm excited. But also, I'm skeptical because I just do not want like a forced universe. So, it needs to be organic because nowadays, okay, fine. I know Marvel started a trend and then DC followed. But the point is not that. Point is that with Marvel and DC, they have a huge base and a solid base of comic books to refer to, and it made sense that yes, when you're showing them in cinema and if you want to kind of expand the universe, it makes sense because you have a lot of organic ways to do it. And now this just trend is there that everything has to be in a universe to just create that hype and all of that. So that's like the downside of it, because in a lot of films it just feels extremely forced because you just want to create a hype. I do not want it to happen for this film. Like, I would want this movie, even though it's part of the Minnal universe, I would want this film to be a standalone film on its own. That okay, we don't have to depend on Minnal's story and backstory and all of that. We don't have to depend on that. I would want that this should be a standalone film with Easter eggs here and there, and that's it. And I feel that personality wise, because you can see kind of similarities to Minnal, because he was also not really taken seriously and he wanted to go out, he was waiting for his passport and stuff like that. He finds his way. It's like his origin story for me here also, because he's saying, oh, I finally have got a big case and this and that. So you know that from society, from his family, nobody takes him seriously, nobody likes what he does, and he's like, no, I'm going to solve this and probably become a very famous detective like Sherlock Holmes and stuff like that. So everybody laughs at him. So there is a lot of similarity in terms of the characteristics of the main character. It's the underdog. So then goes on to solve this huge case and then becomes like this really famous detective. That's what I'm seeing and assuming that the arc would be, and ideally should be, because it needs to be his story. I need to be invested in Ujwalan and walk into the film not with this excitement that, oh my god, am I going to see Tovino in the film? I would love to. Why not? But that shouldn't be my primary focus. I should be invested in Ujwalan's character. This is what I want. That's how you organically expand the universe, and it needs to make sense. It needs to make sense like, oh, is this case that he's solving happening in the same town where Minnal is from? And what was that Easter egg? Because initially the first thought which came in my mind is it's Guru Somasundaram's character. But it doesn't feel like that, his body language and all. I'm like, no, this is some other Easter egg which probably I'm not able to pinpoint and recall. But then I thought that this is probably his subconscious mind, like the imaginary friend who helps him solve the cases and gives him clue, or someone that he knew and is not able to let go of. This person is not anymore, probably his best friend or something like that. So maybe that's his Watson, but dead. And they're kind of mirroring each other, so it could be it's his darker personality, it's his persona, it's part of him. It could be anything. So that is something which was interesting and up for speculation. But if anybody has figured out this Easter egg, please let me know in the comments. So I am, yes, very, very excited to see how the universe collides, and but I just do not want a forced universe. That's the only skepticism, because I'm just tired of all these forced universe just getting shoved down our throats. I don't like that. And I'm talking specifically from the Hindi film perspective, that everything is a freaking universe. We don't need that. Just give us a good standalone story. That's it. That's what we want. And if you want to make it a part of universe, then make it organic. Like, think from that direction then. Just because the previous film becomes like a huge hit doesn't mean that, oh, now I'm gonna just bank upon this one so that my other film, the upcoming film, gets the push and the hype. Doesn't work like that, guys. But considering this is from the Malayalam film industry, I am hopeful, and that it won't be like that. That won't be the case. So, but you guys can let me know your thoughts in the comments. Those were my thoughts, guys, and I'm gonna sign off now from this video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this reaction, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye.